Main event is the Clash versus Earthquake. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, to go for a lockup. Oh, Clash is winning. But can he lift up Earthquake? Was it? Oh, punches to the head. Oh, they're trading back and forth. Oh, got him. Rocked him. What's this? Could this be a... Oh, face plant slam by Earthquake.
Oh my god, what was that, Brandon?
Earthquake slam. Oh, he's rocked. This could be it. Earthquake could finish him. Uh-oh. Major choke slam. Oh, Lord. 1, 2, kick out. This match is going back and forth. Ooh, trading blows. Ooh. Oh, he's down. The big man's down. What is this? Diving headbutt. Ooh. Oh, kick out at 2. This is one of the 3rd or 4th videos we've done. If you like it, hit subscribe. Co-main event.
Okay, cool.
Ooh, kick to the stomach. Ooh, get him. Oh, counter, counter. Ooh, Undertaker, did he, oh, wait, did he counter? No, he didn't. 1, 2, kick out at 2. Uh-oh, picks him up. What could this be? What's this? Uh-oh. What is this? Ooh! Earthquake is taking a beating, guys. Earthquake is taking a beating. Oh, not again. Oh, boy, Earthquake moved. Uh-oh. Oh, Earthquake's oh my god. No, Earthquake, or Clash kicked out at 2. Earthquake looks disappointed. Uh-oh. Should it be the big splash? Oh, but Earthquake missed. Uh-oh. Oh, Clash with an elbow. Uh-oh, picks him up. Clash picks him up. Ooh, punches to the head. Clash picks him up, another punch to the head. Uh-oh.
No.
Samoan drop. This could be it. Go for the splash. Earthquake, go for the splash. This could kill him. But not really, though. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh, but he countered. Clash got the knees up. Clash is going for a big splash. No, he's going for a diving headbutt.
Come on.
Here's your winner. You kick out?
Diving headbutt.
Here's your winner.
Brady, did you kick out?
Clash.
He didn't.